Hi there, I'm Kaz with Classic BMW Z, and today we're working on the Z3 windows. They're difficult to come up and down. You can tell they're slowing down, so most likely gunk is building up into channels, and that kind of forces the motor. So a good maintenance tip is to clean these out and apply some silicone to it. So I'll show you how I do it. So first step is, let me open the door slightly. We're going to try to get this cleaning tool right in between on the track. And it goes in really easy. And we're just going to go up and down and kind of clean any loose dirt, sand out of this track. Yeah, just clear out anything that's in there. Next, we're going to take, I've already done a little bit to make sure that this fit properly. We're going to take a small tool and wrap a microfiber around it and just run it into the channel just to try to clean out as much gunk as we can out of there. As you can see, a little bit more came out. Same thing, take a little bit of clean towel, wrap it around, and then you can pull and separate the two pieces where the glass slides, and just kind of run that in there. Get some of that gunk out. Look at all that stuff coming out. So we're going to do this a few times. Just dry. No cleaner yet. Trying to collect as much of this gunk out of here as we can. So, I mean, 26 years old, so probably never been done. I'm going to spray general purpose cleaner. Use your favorite. Try to avoid stuff with bleach. And we're going to kind of repeat the process. And we'll continue doing this. Try to get it as clean as possible. And this is part of maintenance, taking care of stuff, because with time this will force the little motor that we're looking at. That's crazy, but you know, it's a convertible. There's a little felt inside these, and it traps all this dirt. And with time, it builds up with humidity and gunk. And now at this point, I'm just going with a dry part of the towel, kind of dry out the cleaner. You could do this for weeks and probably stuff still would come out. So you're just trying to get the big stuff. Now we're going to take some silicone, whatever brand you have, and we're going to spray it inside that groove, that track. And then spray it down, because there's a little bit of track down there. Same thing here. We're going to put just a little. Kind of work it up and down a few times. So here's everything you need. Some cleaner, whatever your favorite brand is. I just avoid something with bleach. any kind of silicone spray, any brand, some clean microfibers, and you can see here how much we took out of that. 2 rags, a lot of stuff, pieces of old rubber and everything. A little tool like this, a trim tool, a thin one, works great to get in there. And I'll see if I can find the link on Amazon. This is a great tool to have. It comes in a set of 2, very inexpensive. It's about 4 feet long, 5 feet long, and great for drains, like sunroof drains, convertible top drains that go down through the bottom of the car. It's flexible but very strong, and it has a nice cleaning brush on the end. So I hope you found this maintenance tip helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.